All right, so welcome to tonight's presentation on Wednesday night, the 8th of July. We are so amazed that we are pretty much on halfway. At the end of this month, we'll be halfway through our 19 phases, and we are currently selling our shares at $50 in phase 9. For those of you that have been in since the beginning, it's been quite a journey. But you've also seen the growth that has happened within the company, even though we've had all the curveballs that have been thrown to us. And it has not been easy. Just to let you know, from apparently when the company was given the piece of land to start mining until now, JP and Donovan said the other night in a meeting that we have been given 5 bylaws and law changes, which made it so much more difficult for us to get things done. So that is also why we keep on getting delayed. It's not because the company wants to delay things. It's just sometimes it's the laws of the land that we have to adhere to, because we don't want to not do something according to regulations. And then when the land gets taken away from us because we're breaking laws or regulations, then we will lose the land. And then that means we will regret it going forward. So folks, tonight I want to speak about the affiliate side of the business, which is totally different to us selling shares. We do get paid for selling shares, but it's the affiliate program that pays us and not the dividends that pay us in this case. So we have to differentiate the two. They both entail, or should I say, they both need have the need for us to sell shares, because shares sales do help the shares or the dividends increase because we get more machinery eventually. But your affiliate commission also is affected by the sale of shares, because that is where you get paid your direct sales commission, your daily performance pool, and over time, over the month, because of your sales, your individual sales of shares to your potential best business partners. That is then where you get your gold diggers performance a reward from, if you are in the top 50. All right, so folks, what are we talking about? We're talking about Aureus Alliance Holdings, a company. As the name implies, Aureus is the name, Alliance means we're building relationships. And if you have been following the recent news, Donovan has been in Mexico for, I think it's going on 2 weeks, but I believe he is on his way back, forming a relationship with bankers, which is really going to, I believe, propel us forward very nicely. They are a fintech company. They already have the bankers cards that, besides Aureus, they are servicing other platforms and other businesses as well. They have a white label version that companies can buy. And I know for that fact and that reason, Donovan and Alejandro from Bankers have been in communication. They've been collaborating. They've already offered us office space in Mexico. So we have 2 offices in Mexico. And then they're going to have their satellite distribution office here in our office in La Lucia. So, folks, the 2 companies are going to be working hand in hand. And that being said, they're also going to be working on a solution for us as Aureus. So Donovan is going to come back and give us all that update and information when he gets back. Tonight, it's not me that's going to tell you that. I don't know. I was not there. I did not hear it. So you're going to hear it from the horse's mouth, so to say, the person that was literally there in amongst the trenches, so to say. All right, so folks, just to let you know, I don't have my image on the screen for that, but there will be a Monday night Zoom meeting with Donovan, our CEO. Just bear with me. Let me see if I can get it up on here. Let me just pull this across this side first and look for the image, and then I'll share it with everyone. I just want to make sure that you all understand that there is a Zoom meeting with Donovan on Monday night. Just bear with me while I find it quickly. All right, folks. So Monday night, the 30th, there will be a Zoom meeting. South Africa, obviously, but with our very own CEO, Donovan James. All right, he's going to be giving us some updates and some news, the much needed. Remember, he also spoke about a week ago on a 72-hour update that he was going to give. He does apologize that he was inundated with work in Mexico, that he never really was able to give attention to giving this update, but he does know when he gets back, he will be able to do that for us. So please, every one of you that are waiting for that update that Donovan was supposed to give us, he will give it to us on Monday at 8:30 on our Zoom presentation. Please make time to be here to hear it from him himself. All right. I don't want to have to be the one to give you a relayed information and then you say, oh, Paul said, Donovan said, da, 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 and then it comes out wrong. So let's hear it. Wait to hear it from him himself. Because look, we are all human. I know I might just hear something. I won't hear it 100%, and then I may not say it the way it's supposed to be said. So let's come in numbers and hear from our CEO himself on Monday night. All right, that is all notices and preparation for the upcoming stuff. So yes, sorry, that was me talking about the Aureus Alliance Holdings, the alliance part where we are building relationships and just letting you know. And then also I just went into the announcement of the Monday night Zoom. But Holdings then tells us that Aureus Alliance Holdings is going to have many ventures, not just one. We are talking about gold mining as our main one, yes. No doubt about it. It is our first one and main one, but we will have at a later stage property development. There's going to be education. There's going to be medical. There's going to be IT services. There's going to be AI services, software services. All of those things will come into play. And wherever we make profit, we will share in it. So our main focus is obviously the gold. So when there's gold, there's real profits. Obviously from real profits come real dividends. So everything is gold backed, and we're building these gold backed ventures around the gold mining. And then everything is designed to create long-term shareholder value while uplifting communities. Because I know there have been some stories, and there were some stories shared on the last two Zoom meetings of families and communities and people's lives that have already been affected and changed because of Aureus. And that's not even necessarily with dividends being paid yet, because we know dividends have not been paid yet. And there are still some people that are asking, when are dividends getting paid? Folks, our dividend months are January, April, July, and October. But from the start, from day one, no one has ever said that dividends will just come out of the air. They need to be paid from profits which come from production that has to happen. Mining has to take place. And unfortunately, because of the delays and also because of a requirement in the legal things of the site, we had to get in place a regulation that we have to follow from EMA and EIA. We had to just do something before we could actually get mining. We are waiting for that to be signed off, and then we will start. But I can tell you this, that the team there is adamant that they want to get gold through the sluice boxes into the refineries, sold and making us money. All right. That is, I can tell you, that is what they want to do. They themselves as well don't get paid if they're sitting there doing nothing. Actually, this is a uplifting of the community in more than just one sense. All right. So folks, going forward, all right. So becoming an Aureus affiliate. So very simple. Imagine a system where every time someone purchases shares, because of you, you get paid. So very, very similar to Amazon. If we all know how Amazon works, you can become an Amazon affiliate. You get a link, you find a product, you like the product, and you promote it to people, right? When people buy their product, you then get a small commission because they bought the product from Amazon using your link. Very similar over here. You are a business partner with us as a shareholder. You will get a link in your back office to share. When people buy shares and become a business partner under you, they become part of your team, but also at the same time, you will get credited and the company will say thank you to you for growing your team, but also the Aureus team in general, and you will get a direct sales commission from that. All right. Not just that, that sale of yours will also then count towards your personal sales, and that could put you in the standing to be one of the top 50 affiliates that win the Gold Diggers monthly pool as well. All right. So that's the entire idea behind the Aureus affiliate program. It's a very simple way. It's obviously optional. No one is forcing anyone to do it. However, I know if I had to start any business of my own, I'm calling a spade a spade. You all know my saying by now. If I bought a hardware store and I don't go and market my hardware store, people aren't going to come and buy sand. People aren't going to come and buy roofing material. They aren't going to come and buy cement. They aren't going to come and buy tiles. They're not going to come and buy electrical equipment. So, because why? Because I haven't promoted it. So, if you really want to make money and you want to see the business succeed, I know it would be in our interest if we are able to actually go out and promote Aureus as an opportunity to people. Because of the opportunity, we all have the opportunity to, and I've said that word quite a lot of times. So we have the opportunity. I said it again. It's there for people to take. Because how many of us will go through life saying, I don't have a job? I know there's a lot. At one stage, I was in that same boat. I never had employment. But let me tell you the problem. A lot of us are chasing employment, working in the wrong place. And I'm going to be honest about saying that. I knew, or I know now, I was looking in the wrong place because I was looking local. I was expecting a boss to employ me, to look past my CV that maybe had imperfections according to his expectations. But however, that didn't change me as a person just because I can't put down who I really am on paper. Because a lot of us struggle like that. A lot of us cannot put who we really are on paper. And people will not take us for who we are because of that piece of paper, which they normally read before they see us. So a lot of people don't get jobs where they get jobs. But I will tell you this. One thing I've learned in Aureus and seeing some of the ladies, guys, please, if you're doing TikTok lives, I need you to invite me because I don't know why it's only the ladies. They know I'm married, but they're still inviting me. I don't think it's because of that. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying anything's going on between the ladies and me. I'm just saying they're just the friendly ones. I know I live in the friendly city, as we call it. I don't know if that's the reason, but the ladies are really doing the work. I'm sorry to say it. Gents, if you're there and you're hearing me, we've got to pull up our socks because the ladies are really, really going out on a daily basis. And most of the ladies that I do know that are doing this, they're using TikTok Live. They are, I don't want to use the word, I was going to say another word, but I don't want to imply that we are killing each other, but they are killing it. They are killing it. They are smashing it. They are, man, if you had to look, I will show you the leaderboard just now. Maybe I'll pop onto the site and show you. Man, there are so many of the South African ladies that I've got to know that featured on the leaderboard this month. I am so proud of them. There are here and there some gents that I do know of. But in general, I think a lot of you are benefiting from being those active leaders that are building the business and using this optional way to earn an extra income because you like what you know about Aureus, but you also like that it can help others. And because of that, you like sharing the opportunity. So that is basically what I'm getting down to. You share the opportunity. Someone buys shares. you get paid. Your network is your future. All right, moving on. So, folks, we are currently in phase 9, as I said, for $50. We have a total of 763,637 shares. And if all shares are sold out in this phase, the company would make just over 38 million, which will then obviously help us get to where we need to get to a lot faster. All right. So, like I said, it is always important, if we really can go out there and do our best as a team and work together to promote Aureus, to put it out there. Remember, at the end of the day, you too, as an affiliate, will not make money if you are not going to take the opportunity to promote as best you can whenever you can. All right, so when you do promote, there are 3 ways to get paid. So when money comes into the system, there's 3 different ways that funds are allocated. One is to direct sales commission, where you earn 15% when you introduce someone who buys shares. That will be the first point that I will discuss. Number 2 is gold diggers. This is for the top 50 performers who share in the gold diggers competition. They will get 15% allocated to them from the monthly sales. All right. And then the daily performance pool. You earn from the daily team performance pool, and this is a 5% daily allocation, which comes from JP himself. He's the one that is footing this. It comes from his 25% that he's supposed to get as Aureus. As Sun. So he said no, because he wants to incentivize team leaders that have a team of 10 or more. I will explain that to you when I get to point number 3. All right, so folks, that is the 3 ways to get paid. So it's 3 ways. One mission is obviously to grow Aureus to be unstoppable, to be a force to be reckoned with, and that it will uplift and grow community. So we're sharing, we're growing, and together we are prospering. All right. So how does affiliate commission work? All right, I hope you are listening carefully. This is point number 1. Please put away all distractions and listen nicely so that you can know. Because at the end of the day, we don't want you to come and say, hey, I didn't know that I can earn commission, or I didn't know this, or I didn't. We are telling you. We're telling you once again. We will keep on telling you. Not that we don't want to. I'm just saying there are some people that have somehow heard it maybe more than 10 times already, and they still don't know we get commission. All right, so here we're going again. When you introduce someone who decides to buy shares, you then earn 15% direct sales commission when they do that. So how are you going to earn this 15%? 10% will go into your wallet. So you earn it in USDT. It goes directly into your wallet in your back office. You will see it available there, and you can then withdraw or convert it to more shares if you feel like doing that. All right. And there are some business partners and affiliates that have done that. They started with, let's say, I know one example, and I know you know the story. One example of 8 shares that has become close to, I think, probably by now 190 shares or even 200, if I'm not mistaken. But the person will answer for themselves just now, because I will ask him for an update. All right. Then the system will automatically buy you 5% in what we call fractional shares. All right. So whenever you introduce someone, whatever they purchase, 5% of that will then purchase you fractional shares. All right. So as your network grows, you also receive tiny fractional rewards from team activity. All right. So that also means every time your team is buying shares as well below you, you also, the fractional shares will add up. All right. So you're sharing the opportunity, you're earning the rewards, and you're obviously building your future. All right. Moving forward. All right, when a person you invited purchases $10,000 value in shares, right? As I said, this is just an example. You would get 10%, which makes it $1,000, that goes directly into your wallet. Like I said, you can convert or withdraw. 5%, which in this case is $500, that will buy you fractional shares. At the current price, that would be 10. Those 10, or should I say, those fractional shares would be worth 10 shares, because our shares at the current price are worth $50. So that means for $500, you would get 10 shares, whole shares. All right. So both rewards work together to grow your wealth and your future. So like I said, you invite, we earn, and we grow together. All right. Moving on. So in this case, let's give you an example. You are the inviter on the right. You invited John. John purchased 10,000 value in shares. The transaction was complete, which means it was authorized by the payment department. You earn from John's purchase. So you would then receive the commission. 10%, $1,000, and 5% in fractional shares, which is $500. All right. So every invitation has value. Every share creates opportunity. You build your team, you build your future. So let's just see what happens now when John did that. All right. So John purchased the shares from you. All right. So you then, the system automatically bought you $500 worth of fractional shares. Because of that, your upliner being Tom, your upliner Tom then receives his 15%, which is 10% of 500 is 50, and 5% of the 50, 500 shares, $500, sorry, is $25. All right. Sorry, my eyes are jumping and I'm battling to see the numbers properly. So your upliner grows when you grow. So that's what I'm trying to say is you will always benefit when you do have people below you and when you have a team. Remember, folks, like I said in the beginning, in the intro as well, so many people will complain about not having an income or not having work. But let's be honest, if you can put a little bit of work in now to just build a team and invite people, eventually, I don't want to say you can stop working, but it can get to a point where the team is performing so well on a daily basis that you can sort of step back now and then and just have a day off or 2 days off, because you just know you've duplicated the process so well that others are doing the work underneath you. But because you own your own little part of the pie, so to say, they are performing and it makes you money. And that is the beauty of what the duplication process can help with. I know if I start any business, let's call it a supermarket, because I've worked in a spa before. I know spa has many departments. There's no ways that I'm going to work in security. There's no ways I'm going to do logistics. There's no ways I'm going to be a butchery man. There's no ways I'm going to work in the bakery. There's no ways I want to do merchandising. There's no ways I want to be the cashier. I might want to be the owner, yes. But for me to be the owner, I'm going to need all of those people to work with me because I can't do all of that work. So it's the same over here. For you to function, sometimes you do need to be part of a team. Even if you want to work for yourself and you want to make your own income and stuff like that, it's always going to be better if there's an opportunity somewhere along the line that can duplicate who you are. Because we all have the same 24 hours in a day. But let's say I can earn $100 today. But if I can duplicate that, and I can have 5 people that are also helping me earn another $100 per person, then I'll start earning my 100 plus their 500 because of 5 people. So I earn 600 a day. If they duplicate it and they get more people and I earn another $100 from each of their people, then I'll start earning a lot more. So folks, the power of number and duplication really can be powerful if we just understand it and allow it to work for us. And that is how this is benefiting us, because it will always flow back to us in this example 4 levels back. All right. So if I introduce someone today, and my upliner will get the commission from my fractional shares, his upliner will get his fractional share commission, and so on, 4 levels back. All right. So that is the first way to get paid. The second way to get paid through Aureus and the affiliate program is a monthly, what we call Gold Diggers competition. All right, it rewards the top 50 individual leaders with the individual top sales. All right, so in first place, if you are there, you get 15% of the pool. In second place, you get 12% of the pool. In third place, you get 10% of the pool. Everyone between 4th and 10th place will get 3% of the pool. Everyone from 11th to 20th place will get 2% of the pool. Everyone from 21st to 30th place will get 1% of the pool. And everyone from 31st to 50th place will get 6% of the pool. 0.6% of the pool. All right. So the more you build, the higher you rank. It's just a given because this goes on personal sales. So the bigger your reward will become, the higher you, or should I say, the more team members you bring in with the most amount of shares. All right. More team, bigger impact. As I said, I've already said that indirectly, but there it is. Higher rank, bigger rewards. I can tell you now, I'll show you an example. I will show you an example how someone, because they missed out on about $200-300 worth of shares in our last phase, that would have been, let me just work it out here. And I think she is on the meeting. This person that I'm talking about as an example is in the meeting. I saw her jumping on just now. Let me just confirm if she is here, because I want to smack her a little bit on her hand because she'd lost out on some good money here. Let me just put it at 300 divided by 45. So she was about 6 shares short, and I'll show you why I say that in a minute. I'll share that with you now. So folks, just to give you an example, if this was a $300,000 pool for the month, if you were in first place with that 15%, you would earn 45,000. If you were in second place, you would earn 36,000 with a 12%. If you were in third place, and you earned 10%, you would have earned 30,000. Everyone from 4th to 10th place would have earned 3%, and that would have been 9,000. Everyone from 11th to 20th place would earn 2%, that's 6,000. Everyone from 21st to 30th place would earn 1%, that would be 3,000. And then 31st to 50th place earning 0.6% would be 1.8 thousand. All right. So like we said, in the original Gold Diggers competition from the start, we only had 10 winners. Now we've got more winners, more rewards. Let's build, let's grow together. All right. So more participation means more winners. All right. Which means there is an opportunity for more of us to earn. So when we have that, it's giving more incentive for people to do better. So more effort means more reward. Obviously, if you put more effort into building a team, you're going to earn better because you're going to feature higher. All right. So more vision, more impact. That is what we want. We want to make it available to everyone to be able to earn more. And this is just one of those ways that you can do it. I want to quickly try and show the dashboard quickly. So just bear with me while I get it up. I think it's over here. Let me just get it up and then I'll bring it across to the screen when I've got it up. I just need to log in quickly. Just bear with me while I do it, folks. I am just getting it on my other screen here, and then I'll share it when I am logged in. All right, just bear with me. I'm almost there. I wasn't planning on showing this, but I just thought I would in the middle of the presentation just to give an indication of what I was saying right now in one of the leaders missing out on some commission. All right, folks. So when you're on your dashboard, normally when you log in, you would go automatically to your shareholder dashboard. You would just click on the arrow here, or on your phone, you'll see half of this arrow sticking out under the black thing. Sorry, this arrow here, you can't see where I am. You click on that arrow. You can then go to the affiliate dashboard, the blue one. Then when it loads, sorry, my internet may be taking its time because there was issues in the area with fiber. I'm hoping it is not affecting my internet while I'm presenting, because while I'm on Zoom, it takes bandwidth. It doesn't normally take this long to load, so I'm hoping it's going to load. Oi. It's always Murphy's Law. When you want to show something, then it doesn't want to work. Come on. Okay, it's not responding at the moment, so I think I must just I'll come back to that later, folks. I'll come back to it later. Just remind me, Robert, just now, just to show it. There is a very valid point I want to show on that, on just how close you can be to earning a lot more than what you feel you're earning or what you're trying to earn. Because it's actually quite, when you see it, you'll see what I mean. So let me just, I'll try and get that up just now, right? Maybe when I stop sharing these pictures, it will come up better. Like I said, there is a bit of a problem with my internet, so I do apologize that maybe it's too many things happening at the same time is slowing my line down, so I apologize about that. All right, so folks, that is the second way to get paid. Let's go to the third way to get paid, which is our daily performance pool. All right, this is, like I said, something that JP introduced. I think it's now going on 3 months, 3 months ago. So to compete, you compete, you climb, and you win every day. So this is for the top 10 teams. Now, I also will have to show the dashboard from the site to show you this as well, because there are 59. I wrote it down here. There are 59 team leaders, or should I say teams, that could be registered that are not registered, because the team leaders probably don't even know they are eligible to register a team, because you need to do that to earn daily. So you are leaving money on the table, because what happens if your team is selling shares and you could be earning, but you are not registered as a team, so you don't feature in the daily performance pool, a leaderboard, and because of that, you're not getting paid what genuinely you could be getting paid if your team is performing. So please, I will show that just now as well, if I can get it going on my side. So I will show that as well. So 5%, as I said, daily goes into, of every purchase goes into a pool. Whenever shares are purchased, 5% is contributed to the pool daily. And this, like I said, comes from JP, from the Sun part of the business, where they're supposed to get 25%. He's now said, no, let's put it into an incentive to incentivize team leaders. So when I say team leaders, I'm not just saying leader, I'm saying team leaders. So you will need to qualify. All right. So to qualify, to compete, you will need the following. All right. You will need 5 level 1 referrals, or business partners, as I like to refer to them as. Then they will also need to have at least 1 referral each. So that means under those 5, you will need another 1 each, which makes it then 5 under them. That means level 2s will have 5. When you've got those 10 people in place and they each are active, which means they have 1 share minimum, then you are eligible to be called a qualified team. And then you can be in the competition if you register your team name. All right, I will show you some example of team names. like I said, when I can get the dashboard showing, and the internet is not taking its time loading the page. All right, so guys, if you build your team and you meet the requirements, you earn your spot. If you genuinely are a team that is performing, you as a team leader, you will get paid this daily performance pool, depending on where you end up on the list. All right, so just to let you know how winners are ranked, your team volume decides your position. So clearly, the bigger your team and the more volume you can make as a team together, you will perform higher or rank higher. So all share purchase volume in your entire downline counts. Whether it's 1 level, 2 levels, or 20 levels, it's still going to count. All right. Your entire team counts. If we look at the first icon over here, your entire team counts. All levels of your downline included. More share purchases increase your rank. Top teams by volume rise to the top, and then the top 20 teams win daily rewards. All right, so that will go to the team leader, obviously, that is the leader of that team. So your volume drives your position, you build, you grow, you compete, and then you climb the rankings. All right, so the rewards and how they are paid. So if you're in first place, you earn 40% of the pool prize. If you're in second place, you earn 20%. If you're in third place, 12%. And then from 4th to 10th place, 4% each. When you do get paid, 80% is in USDT and 20% will be paid in fractional shares. That's paid daily, and it cuts off the same as our phase changes at 23:29 every night. So when it hits 12 o'clock or midnight, it will then carry over to the next day. All right. So you compete daily, you earn daily, and you grow together. All right. So this is just an example of a leaderboard, but I was speaking just now about duplication. I was speaking just now about teamwork. I was talking just now about if I was someone and I could teach my team to duplicate what I'm doing. Well, in this leaderboard example, we have that very example shown. Let me explain what I mean. If you look carefully here, from team 6 or 6th place, this is Team MyCoin, Werner. Then we have Wayne, Gold Life 77 Traders, that's Wayne. Then under Wayne, you have Kevin, Team EWK. Then Kevin introduced Rafiwa, Zwivuya 84, that's Rafiwa. Then Rafiwa introduced Anita, Team Anita Baby. So in this very example, you can see how a team, they all earn the same amount this day, but you can see how their volumes added up here. You can see how their volumes added up here for each person, slightly higher, slightly higher, slightly higher, slightly higher. Because why? They introduced each other into the business. So it's a perfect example of how if you are the top and you have a team below you performing, you're going to earn, you're going to earn, you're going to earn. All right. So that is a perfect example there. So see where you stand. The live leaderboard gives you an opportunity to see where you stand. The ranks are all qualified teams based on total USDT share and purchase volume across their entire downline. All right. Top 10 teams win, and then it's updated in real time. On the actual dashboard, you'll see there's a little circle button that looks like this. On the top over here, it's a blue one, and you just click on it and it will update and refresh it. All right. So if you build your team, you increase your volume, you win together. Stronger team, bigger volume. Higher rank, bigger rewards. New day, new pool, new opportunities. So folks, you can track your rank, build your team, and compete daily. All right. So why does this whole affiliate side of the business exist? It's to empower ordinary people. Like I said, So many of us will go out there and we'll say there's no work. All right. But when there is a job opportunity to go and work for Boss John, if I can use South African slang terminology, or for a boss, for the international people, I'm not sure what you would refer to them as, if there's a slang terminology that you would use as well. But if you want to go and work for a boss in one location, normally you're going to go and spread the news to all your friends and say, hey, there's a job opportunity. Come and send in your CV or hand in your CV or email your CV. You know how it goes. But when there's an opportunity like this for you to become an owner and to earn daily performance pool, gold diggers monthly, and even daily commission, sometimes we don't want to do it. But we want to complain that we don't have money. Now, folks, the money is there for the taking. It really is. I'm not sure if Kemar is on tonight again. Let me just double check if he is here. Yes, he is. Kemar, please unmute yourself and just give us that phrase of yours that I loved what you said the other day about that it's there for the taking. Just give us that version of yours. I love it in the, you said East Coast accent. Did you say New York accent? Give it to us in that accent of yours, Kemar. Kemar, can you hear me? All right, maybe he's busy and he can't unmute at the moment. But folks, Kemar, he said it so beautifully the other day when he gave a testimony and he said, you know, the money is there for the taking. And he is right when he says that. I know there's other people as well that could probably answer to the very same thing, that the money is there for the taking, because on a daily basis they are grabbing it. They are grabbing it because they literally are seeing it there for the taking, and they are taking it. Because why? There are people out there looking for opportunities. If you are not the one to put it in front of them, someone else will do that. And when someone else does it, they're going to grab the money. So you want to be the type of person that is proactive in saying, hey, I'm not going to moan about my circumstance. I'm going to do something. I'm going to rise above it. I'm going to see myself at the top because the bottom is overcrowded. So we build together. One team, one mission, one future. Remember, we are all under the Aureus banner. So whether I'm building a team or whether you're building a team, we're still building for one vision, to allow Aureus to grow to something that all of us can benefit from. We create wealth together because we are growing real value, real ownership, and that is going to make real impact. We leave a legacy. Yes, we leave a legacy, as I said. On our shareholder dashboard, if I have to go back to that, which I'm not going to do right now in the middle of this slide, you can put beneficiaries in your back office, which means you can leave what you're earning right now to your family. If something had to happen to you, I'm not wishing it upon you that something happens, but I'm just saying you can leave it to them. And there was a testimony shared last week on someone that worked for 35 years for a cement factory in India. They got all the perks that they would get as an employee while they were working, but when they left, they're currently earning $15 a month. Folks, $15 a month, I don't think can feed even you for a day. Let's be honest. I don't think you can feed yourself for a day on $15. So that just shows you the reality of what happens when you can put your whole effort into working for a lifetime for someone, for an industry. And when you leave, or when it comes time to retirement, they don't even want to know who you are. The respect changes totally from giving you everything to you having nothing. So right here, you are building a legacy. You're making sure you are generating income for you, but also for your family going forward. All right. And then, like I said, when we are doing this as a huger, bigger, greater family, and we're uniting in the effort and the vision, we rise together. I would love everyone to unmute their microphone, but I know I've put the setting off for that. But if I could tell you to do that, I'm sure we could all in unison say, follow me. See you at the top because the bottom is overcrowded. I know We're going to go from gold to generations. We're going to mine today, but we are building tomorrow. So together we build wealth. Together we change futures. All right, I'm going to stop sharing this slide. And I then want to try and get the website up and running, like I said, so that I can share that with you. Just bear with me while I quite quickly try and do it. All right, it is up and running now. I was trying to get, just bear with me. I'm trying to get Gold Diggers. Here we go. All right, and we want to go to phase 8. All right, so folks, I'm just going to start sharing again. Just bear with me while I do that, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right. Okay, Dapua. Are you in the house, and can you unmute yourself? Because I have a bone to pick with you. I have a bone to pick with Dapua. Dapua, are you in the house? Hello,
Yes,
CC.
I'm in the house.
CC, you dropped the ball. You dropped the ball on yourself, and now your headboard is going to moan because you could not get the double bed to go with it or the queen size bed. Let me show you why. Let me show you why I need to use you as an example, because it was, you're so close. So close. But I know you worked hard nonetheless, but so close. Let me just show you something here. Folks, Dapua, I think, ended on fourth place. She ended on 4th place in this last month. But I want to show you something very quickly. If you look at what Ronnie sold, 13,688. Dapua ended on 13,400. So let's call it about $300 plus minus, right? Let's call it 6 shares. 6 shares. Sold 6 more shares. Look at the difference in what she would have earned to what she earned now. So
Okay.
that $300 would have been $4,000 more in commission or in rewards. So can you see, folks, how every little bit can count for you? Every little bit can count for you. But nonetheless, I need to say congratulations. Jimmy is from the States. He's got a big United States team. I'm not sure who Ronnie is. I don't know if it's a South African person. I've never met the username or the person that has a username Ronnie P. If you're in the meeting, put up your hand if you're Ronnie P. If you're in the meeting today and you are Ronnie P, put up your hand, please. I see Mr. Wayne is in the house. Mr. Wayne, please, I'm going to make you co-host. I love to see that. I think Wayne was on there. He is on the list. But okay, so it doesn't seem like Ronnie P's in the house. All right. But there's Dapua. Dapua is Rafiwa's granddaughter, I believe. Then we have Anita. All right. Then I think another one there. We've got Ninth Lord, like we said. That's Kemar, if I'm not mistaken. We got Norbe. Norbe, I think, is also under Anita, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just go down. Letitia is there. Ish, all these ladies. Yo. Going further down. Just want to see. I know Makosis is here. That's Isabella. She would have had more shares sold, I have to admit. She did have someone that wanted to buy shares under her, but that was a person that scammed someone. So unfortunately, I know she did work. This is not a true reflection of what she could have been selling. Someone scammed one of her potential business partners. So sorry to you, Isabella, for that happening to you. There's Wayne. There's Wayne, number 19. Wayne, come on, man. This is like becoming easy stuff for you. You're just sitting there building kitchens and you're earning extra money on the side. Hello. Hey, this
Hello,
is
buddy.
amazing.
No, listen. This is a team effort, direct effort. It just means, the things that you're talking about is literally the number one, developing the company, adding value to the company, and you could only be blessed with the participants that are believing in the opportunity, and that's where we're at. So it's not directly just individual, but it's also obviously it's the effort you put in, right? So I
Yeah.
believe in this company. I know where we're going, and we see the development all the time. So there's no reason why not to share.
Yeah, no, definitely. Thank you for that, Kevin. Thank you for that. And for those of you that did not see last week's affiliate presentation, we shared an abundance tree example there because I know, I don't want to live with anger tree. If you really want to know what that's about, just speak to me and Robert. We'll add you into an affiliate group and we'll share it over there. I know Robert was in training last week, so we didn't quite share in the group because he was busy with training, but we did want to start sharing and strategies and all sorts of stuff. But Wayne shared us an amazing picture that really just in one picture sums up exactly the difference between you having this as an anger tree personality or having an abundance personality where you see things totally different. All right. There's a very different scenario of that where they say, if I put 6 on the ground and I stand this side, it looks like a 6 to me. But when someone stands on that side, they see a 9. And we will keep on arguing with each other. However, both of us are right in a way because the one is seeing a 9, the one is seeing a 6. Or we can use the glass half full and the glass half empty. There's many different ways to speak about the same type of thing. It's just your outlook and whether you see the potential in something or whether you see the problem in something. And right now we're trying to tell you, as Wayne even said, there's those of us that are believing in the company, that are building up the company because we understand the vision. And that is why you can even see Kevin is just under Wayne at number 19. That is Rafiwa's upliner. All right, going down, we've got Noxie there. We've got Carvin Davids, I believe he's also South African. We've got Mr. Ravinder Paswan, one of our top Indian leaders, is there at number 26. We've got Neil Andrews, our very own CIO. Now, the reason he's on the leaderboard, okay, is he originally was a shareholder before he became the CIO of the company. So he still does qualify to earn because of that original agreement that the company had with him. When he builds his team, he is still allowed to earn, all right? So they are, I'm just trying to see if I recognize anyone else here. Godson, Zitanda, Lakatu, Fenshi, Ahuba, Santosh, Danikal, Dashrath, and Surrender. So yes, it does seem like there's a lot of potential Indian names as well. A lot of people that I don't know because these aren't normal names that you would recognize. But like I said, I just want to really say well done to the team that comes from Werner, Wayne, Robert, Rafiwa, Anita, Dapua, going all the way down. A lot of you are really lifting each other up. If I go now to the performance pool, let's just see what that looks like. I need to show you this, folks, because there are a lot of team leaders. Look at this. Look at this. Qualified but not earning. If you can see here, it says 59. 59. There are 59 team leaders that could be earning. Over here currently, let me maybe just try and make my screen bigger. All right, I've tried to make it slightly bigger so you can see. So there it says 59, right? So here you can see this person has 5 people. Is it 5? 96 and 87. That must be a huge team. However, not registered, not earning. They probably could be number 1 place every day with a team that size. Yeah, we have another team, 22 level 1s, 18 level 2s. I'm sure they could be performing. Here's another team, 22 and 11. Another team, 21 and 19. Guys, do I need to go forward? Let me try and find another big one, because now you are seeing there are big teams. That's page number 1. Page number 2. Page number 2, 10 people, 6 people. So yeah, it starts going to lower numbers. But folks, there is money on the table. Some of you have built teams. You have built teams, but you have not registered. And you are leaving money on the table. All right. Half of your username is showing here. So please go and do yourself a favor. If you do have the right amount of people in your first level active, the right amount of people in your second level active, go and just check for yourself. Are you eligible to share, to register your team? All right. So just to let you know, if you look at today's performance, there we go. As I said in the dashboard shot just now, that was a few months ago. This is updated. So there is Werner, number 1 today. There is the very person that just spoke to you saying it's teamwork. There's Wayne. He just spoke to you, folks. He shared with us last week about abundance. Yari is just saying that it's teamwork, and there, because of his team, he's earned $58 so far today. We still have a few hours before the cutoff, but he's earning from his team. Buya, that's Rafiwa, also earning from her team, earning from his team. There's Anita earning from your team. There is Kemar earning from his team. Folks, the money's on the table. You just need to go out, grab it, and share in the opportunity that others can also share this opportunity. All right. Kemar, are you available to speak now? Can I ask you to unmute, Kemar? Kemar, can you hear me? All right, Kemar's not hearing me. Maybe he's busy, or maybe my audio is not going through to everyone. I'm not sure. Robbie, are you back in Johannesburg? Please unmute yourself and let's have a chat.
Hi, Paul.
Hi, Robbie.
Yes, you hear me?
Yes, I hope I can hear you. It was breaking up slightly as you said hello, but I'm hoping it's better now.
I hope so too. Sorry, I've got a reverb because I've got my laptop and my phone going.
Okay, I just need to know which. I don't know. You should label your laptop as laptop so that I know which one to unmute you on. Which one would be better?
Okay, well, what I'm going to do, I'll put on my video on my laptop. Then you'll know which one is it.
Okay, do that and then I'll know which one to do. Okay, thank you. That will help.
And I'll mute my audio.
Yeah, just mute the one you're not using. So if I did your phone, then mute your phone, and then I'll unmute. You can unmute yourself. I mean, you are co-host. You can unmute your laptop. So when you're ready to speak, you just go to the audio thing and you just unmute yourself, and then you can speak to us. So that will help. Thanks. All right. So we're not hearing you now if you are speaking. All right. While Robert is busy there, I'll just ask Rafiwa if she is still in the house. I see she's off again. She was on. I see she's gone off. All right. She's gone off. All right. Tabaza. For those of you, it's Mrs. Scott, but are very upbeat, very lively, very energetic. I thought I was a Duracell bunny, but we have another Duracell bunny. She's known as Mrs. Scott to us. but I've been privileged to be given her first name, Tibaza, and I think Tibaza means Shaya success. I think that's what it means. So she's going to just chat to us because I know she's always got a good word. She's always got a good, powerful message for us. And sometimes she can say it the way that I can't say it because, they always say when a lady speaks, the gentlemen have to listen. So I'm going to let the ladies speak so the gentlemen can listen and start doing what the ladies are doing. So Tabaza, please just give us the way the ladies say it, please, so that the gentlemen can get the vuma that they need.
Good evening,
Did you
Aureus family. Can you hear me, Paul?
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you. Thank you.
Good evening, Aureus family. I'm so glad to be on this call. Every time I've attended, there's something new that I learn every day. And not only that, there's a feeling that goes along with it. There's a fire that's reignited each and every single time. So however busy my day gets, I make sure that nothing messes with my time in Aureus because I know there's always something in it for me, whether it's to uplift my spirit and to remind me that only I have the power to get as much as I can out of this alliance, that I'm one of the chosen ones, the few chosen ones, because these shares are not going to be available forever, guys. One day we'll wake up and it's all gone. And so it is our responsibility, and at the same time, it's our privilege to spread the word to all of the people around us that we love. But I know that there are people on this call that are not sure, maybe doubting and so forth. But on Monday, we just had the meeting where, the company side of it, we were being educated where the company comes from, what it is, and what's happening on the ground. He was connecting us virtually, but I have had shares in other companies and so forth, and I'm sure there's many people who have had shares in other companies as well. But never in my life have I had so much transparency, and never in my life of owning shares have I been invited and given such a unique opportunity to make money beyond just the shares. And so this is our opportunity, and this is not just about us, because not everybody is struggling, Paul, to be honest. Yes, the majority in our country especially might be struggling, but remember, this is not just a South African invite. This opportunity is open to the globe. People from all walks of life have the ability to be part of this beautiful company. And so not everybody is struggling. Someone might be good and somebody might say, look, me and my house, we're good. I just want to own shares, and that's it. Somebody might even be doubting if it's worth investing in. But let me tell you something. When Aureus speaks about the future, they are not thinking about 20, 25 years from now. They're thinking about 100 years from now, when with all that you've had, that you have, the financial plans that you've put in place, the trust that you've made, and so forth, that is it going to reach 100 years? That's the question. Because you've done the work, you've worked so hard, because our parents and our parents taught us that hard work is the best way. But now, what has your hard work really achieved for the next 100 years? Let's not talk about you. Maybe you're sorted. But will your legacy live on 50 years from now? And that's what you need to get. That's what we're talking about here. We're not talking about 25 years. That's not a legacy. That's one lifetime. We're talking about generations to come. In most cases, whatever wealth you have built for your kids by the fourth generation, because of mishandling and so forth, it's no longer there. And so, ladies and gentlemen, as much as there is somebody here today that cannot afford a medical bill, or cannot afford, who's about to be evicted out of their house. But this is not just for them. Even you that says, no, I'm fine, I'm sorted, I don't need Aureus, reconsider. Really reconsider. It's not about you. It really isn't. And I mean, Aureus doesn't need, to open this up to the general public. It could have gone to houses that could afford to buy it in a sweep, in a blink of an eye, that would have had all the resources that they needed. But here is a company authentically saying that we want people to have a piece of this. We're building something very special. Yes, tonight's show, we're talking about mining. We talked about mining on Monday, but that is not the whole story. That's just the tip of the iceberg. So give yourself some time, and revisit what Aureus is, what it stands for. If you need more information, go back to the person that invited you, and just ask them, what direction is Aureus planning? What do they mean 100 years? How can they be so certain? It's in the name, guys. It's in the name. Alliance Holdings. So do yourself a favor, make sure that you don't lose out. There was the gold rush, there was the Bitcoin, there was this, that. You've missed out on so many opportunities, not for yourself only, but for your generations. Don't make that mistake here. I don't care if you are in the US, if you are in Kenya, if you are at the bottom of the bottom, but let me tell you, I'm going to break all chains of poverty with this one opportunity, just this one. And that's all you need sometimes in life, just one opportunity, and the rest will be history. Thanks, Paul.
No, thank you for that. Thank you for that. There's a lot that you said there that I can't say I wouldn't have said it like that, but just sometimes it helps when someone else can say what I'm thinking as well. So I don't know. Lately there's been a lot of ladies that are reading my mind. I don't know if my mind is readable, if something is on the screen that says Paul is thinking this or saying this or wants to say this. Can you say it for him? But thank you for saying a lot of what you said, because I know and I can back up everything that you said. I don't want to just worry about today. I always like to use my root and fruit, and that's where Wayne came with that anger tree thing last week. Because a lot of us just want to worry about the now, and we don't want to worry about, the future. And often when we're chasing the now, we actually get so greedy at times. And I hate to say the word, we do. We get so greedy at times that we actually overlook the longevity of what we're trying to build, rather than, I just want this right now, this instant gratification. And then we chase, and Donovan himself said it the other day. He would rather have a company with shareholders that understand the long-term vision, that can be patient enough to wait for dividends, than have these people inside that just want quick dividends, quick payouts, and they're expecting a quick get-rich-quick scheme. Because that's not what we are. We are here to build a legacy, as you said, not just for me, but for my family. And when I say family, I'm not just talking about my kids. I'm talking about my grandkids, my great-grandkids, because this will stay with them as they go on and grow up. So, folks, yes. That being said, Robert, please unmute yourself if you are not unmuted. I see you unmuted on one of your devices. You can just speak to us. And please just let us know from your side. I believe you are back in Johannesburg now. And you did your training and everything with the company. What is the developments now from your side moving forward, and how are you going to be working going forward? Are you going to be doing it remotely from Johannesburg, or are they going to get you back in Durban to do it? Or just give us a breakdown of what you are and are not capable of doing right now, just so that we do know more or less as well what it is that you are going to be helping us with as our LSA. If I can remember the abbreviation of what you are, lead support agent. Okay, you muted. You muted. We're not hearing you. Your earphones don't seem to be connected to whatever we're hearing or seeing you on. There we go. There we go. Okay, no, it went off again.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Okay, fantastic. Sorry,
There we go. There we go. There we
Okay.
go. There we go. There we go.
Good evening, folks. Robert here from um, Johannesburg. Yes, I went down to KZN to the office to actually get some training, much needed on our support side. I have now been put in charge as the lead support agent, hence the title. I'm not really a titles man, but I just want to keep you updated what I am able to do currently. I'm still busy practicing with some back end support and things like that. So that's going to take me some time. But at the moment, I'm still working like I've always worked with the front end support and on the WhatsApp groups, doing my normal thing. Nothing changes there. When I am available with the back end and I've got my full practice and everything going, then I will be helping you with your back end support, with your support tickets. So yes, developments wise, Paul can explain. We had a meeting with bankers not long ago, last week while I was there. Some interesting developments are coming our way, which you will find out on in the near future from Donovan himself. And from there, all I can say is that the office is fully functional.
Okay, Robert, I think we're losing you there.
Do
If you
my
can hear
work.
us.
Yes,
Okay, sorry.
I can.
Robert, we lost you for a bit there, so I'm not sure what you were saying near the end there, but we lost you a little bit there.
Apologies for that, Paul. I think my network was unstable.
Okay, no problem, no problem. All right, so basically the gist of the matter is Robert has basically been labeled or should I say inducted or what's the word?
Appointed.
Appointed. Yeah, maybe that's a better word to use. I just couldn't get it out. You can see the flu has got me. My mind is just not my mind anymore. I do apologize, folks. I won't stand down from a challenge. This is a challenge to try and think when my brain doesn't want to think. But yes, appointed as a LSA, lead support agent for Aureus. As he said, JP took him down for some training. And he also did some training on other areas of the business as well. He was also in the
AI.
offices with a lot of discussions happening. So when he says things are coming, folks, you got to stay tuned. You got to stay on these
Absolutely.
meetings. You got to stay in the groups. Listen to what's happening. Get updated, because when things do happen, you don't want to be the last one to say, hey, I didn't hear or I didn't know or this or that. Because I can tell you right now, when Donovan comes back with what he has worked on in Mexico and he lets us know, I'm sure he went there and he's come back with a huge plan. Because I believe, I don't want to speak before he speaks on Monday, but I just want to plant a seed if I can, so that hopefully your tree starts growing already by Monday, so that when Donovan comes and gives his water on top of my seed, then it's going to grow. Then it's going to grow. That's all I can say. I'm using a plant as a scenario now. But folks, I know Donovan has gone out and he's worked his magic with Alejandro from Bankers, and they've really been working on something together. All I do know is Bankers has offered us 2 office spaces in Mexico. And if I'm not mistaken, Donovan has reciprocated and now made Aureus, and I think the video was circulated earlier today, where Aureus's office will become the African distribution point for the bankers cards. So that's big.
Yes,
That is big. That means even us as Aureus members, we know we're going to get our cards because it's in our own office. It's going to be distributed from our own office. So we will be able to say, hey, support team that's in the office, is my card available? And I'm sure you'll know if it is or not, because the same distribution point, same office as Aureus. So hello, surely the two can speak together, and I'm sure they will speak together. And not just that, Donovan was speaking about some features that are going to be unique to Aureus within bankers. So when we say things are going to come with version 2.0, if I can use that term, don't quote me and say there is version 2.0. I'm just giving it my terminology. Bankers has their own system, but now with us probably having our system integrated with theirs, somehow we're going to have version 2.0, because I think it's going to be like, maybe Donovan gave what he would like it to be, and Alejandro and the team probably worked on something, and maybe they said, hey, you know, you're right, maybe that can help your business. And that's why I say 2.0. Maybe we have an upgraded version. And that was because of Aureus's connection with bankers. And the 2 weeks that Donovan was there, I'm sure brought a lot of fruit for us. All right, so folks, that is
correct.
that. Then I just have to come back to the Cape Town event. Who in this meeting is from Cape Town? Put up your hand and put it there. Leave it there. Put up your hand in the emotion, in the reaction bar. Put up your hand if you're from Cape Town. Hi, boy. No one from Cape Town. Ish. Maybe it's because I'm on the wrong screen here. Am I not seeing people's hands? No one from Cape Town. If you from Cape Town, do this. Like I've done, do that. Put up your hand if you from Cape Town. All right. Only one more person. Two more people. Nomfundo and Noel. All right. No one else. I'm going to have to jump through the screen and smack another person because I know she's in Cape Town. She's not putting up her hand. Maybe she's dropped off. Where is she? No, she has dropped off. Funny enough. Maybe her network also dropped. Anyway, folks, I've put a link in the chat. I've put a link in the chat. If you're in Cape Town, we have a meet and greet in the first week of August. The company will be coming down. You will be or have the opportunity to meet all the leadership, because I can tell you this as well. Tibaza said it just now when she said there's no other company that has offered something like this. But she also mentioned that the company is always transparent and it's always, you know what's happening, when it's happening and all of that, because we try and do that. We try and let people know. But another thing that I know that is very big is when people don't know physically who is who in the company. There's a lot of companies that are out there that are marketing themselves, but you will never get to meet their leadership face to face. So when we say meet and greet, it's for your own benefit to get to know who is doing the work in the background. Because like she even mentioned just now, Tibaza, she said the mining is our core business, yes, that we're trying to start now. But that's only the tip of the iceberg. So the same as an iceberg only shows you that top part. Under the water, there's other things that are happening. There's a lot under the water. So the same thing here. You as a shareholder, you're purchasing your shares for a price. You can sit back and you can earn your dividends when they're of due. But behind the scenes, there's a lot that is working to make that happen for you. And that takes a leadership team to, unfortunately, as much as we all are owners and we all are business partners, there's someone that just has to take that little bit of ownership to a level where it's called leadership. And the leadership then will do what needs to be done on behalf of all of us. All right. So you will get to meet the leadership team in Cape Town. So Donovan is for the next 2 days still needing us to fill in the form. On that link, fill in the form and go and let us know who will be attending if you are available, so that we can start arranging and booking and making the arrangements for the event to happen. All right. Like I said, we cannot do that until we have the intention of people coming to the event. All right. So Beyonce cannot come and have how can I say, a concert here if the stadium is not fully booked out, because she obviously has her price and then her promoters have their price. So they will need ticket sales to go up before she'll even come. Same here. We need to just know that there are people interested in coming so that we can then, come down, because things cost money. So let's be mindful of that. So folks, yes, we want to meet and greet everyone in Cape Town, show our faces, show you who we are, because we know Cape Town is a beautiful city and we want to make sure that we are. Yes, Kemar, you can call me after the Zoom meeting. You can do that. No problem. You can call me after the Zoom meeting. The Cape Town link, Wayne, it's the one just above Kemar's chat now. The one that says forms.gle. Can you see the link? Wayne, can you see the link? It says forms.gle. That's the one that you click on. It takes you to a Google form. Do I need to post it again, Wayne? Can you see it? All right. If you can see it, it's forms.gle. Let me just put the image on the screen again. I'll put the image on the screen for you if you got a phone.
Paul, I posted the link on the chat as well. So yeah.
Oh, okay. No problem. Sorry, I just maybe misunderstood your message there. Folks, I will just share the screen again. If you do have a phone and you can scan the QR code, you are welcome to do that. Whoopsie. Let me do it like that. Let me just see if it's showing on my side, so I know that it's showing on your side. Oopsie, why is it showing off? Sorry, let me just close that.
Yeah, it's only showing half there at the moment.
There we go.
Perfect.
Yeah, no, I know why it was showing off. It was showing the chat screen that I had open there. So if I do that.
Cool.
Paul, I think you're muted, mate.
My gosh, I never muted myself, so that's weird that the system muted me. Sorry about that. I said, folks, you can scan the QR code or you can get onto the link that is in the chat. If not, it's also in all the WhatsApp chats that I'm available in. If I'm not in a chat and Robert knows of a chat that I'm not in, he can share it as well. If Wayne's in a chat that I'm not in and he can see it, he can just share it in those chats as well. If you're a leader and you have your own group, please share it. But anyone that is in the Cape Town area, please allow us to know if you are going to be coming or not. If you're going to select more than one person coming, please just list those people that are coming so that we at least can work on the numbers for now to make this worthwhile. I can just ask Wayne to speak. He was the one that was one of the initiates of the meet and greet in Johannesburg. And he had his team in Johannesburg attending that. So Wayne, just tell us exactly how you guys put that one together so that we can get the Cape Town people to do very similar to what you already did in Johannesburg. If you can just let us know, Wayne.
Yeah, no, sure. Guys, thank you. And yeah, always appreciate your call, and this affiliate call is always great, because we understanding what's behind and how people can earn additional income in that. But the whole story about the meet and greet is really what happened was when the guys decided to come to Johannesburg, we sort of created a quick last minute venue. We put it together. And we were expecting maybe about, what, 10, 20 people, maybe, because it was sort of, we're in the area. Is there anybody that wants to see us? The founders put themselves out there and they said, listen, while we're in town, why not meet people and greet and share our vision, and that's what it was about. But what happened was it actually became a bigger event, and more people attended. And then it was a case of, well, hold on, while we're here, should we do a live call? And it just evolved from there. So from just a little gathering of getting together and meeting people, it became a bigger event. And I think some of the leaders today that are actually excelling in the affiliate side, because that's really what this call today is about, is really had the opportunity to bring their people that they possibly wanted to introduce and meet the founders and the owners directly. And they were out there, being transparent, who they are. You get a good feel of who they are, where they're going, what their vision is what you can take out of this. And that to me is huge, because these guys are pitching up, JP, Donovan, and the whole team. And, even Paul was there. Was phenomenal. And I think we obviously just chose a quick event at the last minute. We put it together and it was a phenomenal event. And I think today, some of the results that we're seeing today benefited many people because they had the opportunity to actually physically see people. So there's one thing to sort of, you can take away from this chat is there's a difference from talking about it, but actually physically meeting people. If you have that opportunity, I would say anybody that, even if you aren't in Cape Town and you feel you want to get down there and you haven't met Donovan and everybody, and you can feel the energy and understand where they're going, I think it's a great opportunity for everybody to actually take advantage of that. And we had a great evening. I mean, we expected a 2 or 3 hour thing, but I think it took us right up into about 12 o'clock that evening. So it was phenomenal. Yeah.
Yeah, no, those Joburg people kept me out of bed. I didn't even touch the bed that they had for me. So I still need to lay a charge against them for bed abuse, because they abused my bed. They paid for my bed, but they never let me use my bed. I mean, that's unfair. No, I'm joking, folks. It was really amazing. When you go on a working holiday, if I can put it that way, because that's what it was. No, you guys can laugh, man. Wayne, it's not funny. You guys never gave me a chance to sleep. I was so excited, man. The same as Zimbabwe never gave me a chance to sleep. Hey, man, you guys, no wonder my voice isn't my voice anymore. It just doesn't get enough time to rest. But folks, all I can say is, as Wayne said, you honestly want to come and meet the team, because I'm telling you now, maybe you guys now and then will hear Donovan speaking or see JP speaking, because they are busy. They're in the background and they're busy. That's why I do what I do, to give them that chance to go and do the work that they need to do behind the scenes. Because I can tell you now, if there's a problem on the site and JP has to do the Zoom meeting, he won't get to the site and he won't fix the problem that we're all experiencing, because that is his forte. I'm not saying he's not a presenter, don't get me wrong, but I'm just saying I am able to take that off his shoulders so that he can perform what he needs to perform. All right. However, as you saw in the last 2-3 months, they have been on the road. And just to remind you again, like Wayne said, just to meet the leadership is huge. There are other countries that have seen our leaders because our leaders have been there and they have made their presence known. India had JP for almost 2 months. They almost hijacked him from us. Germany saw Donovan for, I think, also about 2 weeks. That the German Daniel and his community in Germany really had some good time with Donovan there as well, and he also got to know the community in Germany. Now Donovan was recently, him and Neil were in Mexico, building relationships there. So folks, our team is building behind the scenes. And I know sometimes it's hard when you don't know that, but when you can then meet those people and then see how dedicated they are, because not one person in the leadership team this year has had a birthday at home with their family. JP was away for his, Donovan was away for his. Donovan missed his son's birthday. That was 21. Watson missed his. Sachi missed his. They were all away from home. Mine is still coming. I'm not going to give them the date because I just want to see. Robert is still coming. Not going to give the date. We just want to see if the pattern continues. But it just seems like all of us that are on leadership somehow are missing birthdays with our family. But we're doing this. And Kemar says his birthday was yesterday. Happy birthday to Kemar. Happy birthday to Kemar. Happy birthday to Kemar. Happy birthday to you. My voice is going to go there. I can't get to those high notes anymore. But well done. Happy birthday to you. And I'm hoping that you had a good birthday present, knowing that you were there on the leaderboard, doing well, giving yourself a little bit of a nest egg, if I can put it that way, because you are bringing people into the business as a shareholder, as a business partner. So yes, folks, like Wayne said, try and make an effort to come to Cape Town. It's a beautiful city. So even if you haven't seen Cape Town, you've got two reasons to come. First, to meet your business partners and leadership. And second, to see yourself at the top because the bottom is overcrowded. Because I know you're going to take a trip up to Table Mountain. I actually want to know if they're going to arrange this thing on Table Mountain. That's why we need to have 100 people or more so we can look like a toy up there. Sorry, guys, that's just a name for protest here in South Africa. Toy. It's not I'm not going to play with a toy. It's a toy as in a demonstration. Yeah. So, folks, like Wayne says, there is definitely an energy that I feel from Aureus. There's an energy that I know that a lot of you are carrying. You can see it in your results. You can see it in what you're doing daily, in your performance. It's coming through in numbers. Numbers don't lie. And you can see those of you that are genuinely taking this serious. I'm not saying everyone is not serious. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying there are some that are more serious than others because they are making their why greater than the excuse. There are still some of us that are allowing the distractions of the world to put us in wholesale bottle of water scenario. But I know the same bottle of water can be sold in an aeroplane at a much greater price. And I'd rather be that version of a bottle of water. So, folks, right now, I want to end off with, because I don't think we have any more testimonies or comments or anything like that. It doesn't look like anyone's got a hand up. I don't know if Noel still has his hand up from the Cape Town thing or if he wants to ask a question. Noel, you can unmute yourself before I do my closing. Noel, if you want to say something, you can unmute yourself. Noel, are you there? All right. I don't think Noel wants to say something, so I'll just lower his hand for now. All right, folks. So what I want to say is, I know Tabaza did say that not everyone is struggling. But I do know on a daily basis, life is throwing us hard knocks. And often the hard knocks mean sometimes we just don't always see things or have things our way. So we are facing challenges. So let's say challenged. Maybe not struggled, but challenged. All right. But sometimes we can lighten the challenge when we are able to succeed a little bit more in life. Because I know when you become a fanatical freedom, I don't know if Sylvia is on tonight's call again, but I just love the term that she used, even though it was a mistake by her that night. I've coined the phrase fanatical freedom, because yes, you've got to throw things upside down. I'm trying to translate my Afrikaans saying. Agterste voor, onderste bo. Back to front, upside down, and in reverse. That's how I translate it directly. Back to front, upside down, and in reverse. So you got to totally throw things the totally opposite direction for you to see a change. Because a lot of the time, we just want to stand where we normally stand. We want to walk the way we normally walk, but we're expecting a different scenario. Sometimes we have to take ourselves outside our comfort zone, and we really need to challenge ourselves, and we need to say, hey, you know what? I'm no longer in the wholesale bottle of water category. No freaking ways am I staying there. I want to see myself at the top because the bottom is overcrowded. But I know as a pigeon, I can't get that high. I need to be an eagle. So I need to totally change who I am. So folks, saying that, today, if you feel and you resonate with the message and you want to see how you can earn more money and you feel like you want to be an owner as well, maybe you haven't fully understood that, reach out to the person, reach out to your leader, the person that probably is doing the business a little bit longer than you. Ask them how to do this. Ask them what they're doing to do this. You've seen now one of the teams that's doing well. All right. You've seen some of those leaders. Reach out to them. Say, please give me some pointers, give me some guidance. I'm sure they will be open to sharing. Because why? When they share with you, they're only helping you. And when you are helped, they're helping themselves as well. Because us as a greater, huger, bigger community want to see wash plants on the land. We want to see mining happening. We want to see profits coming out of it. And we want to see dividends being paid into our pockets. Not just that, we want to see property development eventually. We want to see the medical. We want to see the educational. We want to see everything else that the company's been speaking about also come to fruition. And when that happens, I can tell you now, no one is going to stop Aureus Alliance Holdings. We are going to go to the top because that bottom has been way too crowded for way too long. Folks, let's be untouchable. Let's be unstoppable. Let's go there where we belong. I will see you on Friday. We'll do a normal shareholder presentation, but just let's get the word out for Monday. Monday, we will have our CEO joining us, Mr. Donovan James, and potentially with that, JP might also join in. I'm just putting it out there. I haven't got a confirmation from JP, but more than likely, if Donovan's on, JP might just jump on as well. So let's just expect maybe both of them to give us an appearance, but I know Donovan did say, let's do it on Monday. So 8:30 Monday will definitely be with Donovan. But Friday, we will have a normal presentation. All right, folks, that will be the shareholder presentation. 8:30. I'll see you then. Enjoy the rest of your Wednesday evening and enjoy your Thursday. Go out and slay it like a leader that you are. You deserve more. You are more. You're going to be more. You're building for your family, your legacy. Let that rise to the top because the bottom, to me, is way too crowded. Folks, enjoy it. Good night.